Okay, now let's fix some issues. Um, Remember that in the code we set the wait time into 2 units, that this is going to be 2 seconds. So when our player dies, just the program waits for 2 seconds so our player reappear. Let's see that working. Okay, so here we have this our player, and okay, 2 seconds, and then okay, he reappears. But in the second in the second time when he gets killed, the reappearing is, or the respawning is automatically. So like this, yes. So we need to fix that issue. So in the second respawning, mm, we need those 2 seconds. So let's go to our script level manager. Okay, and we need to reset our time right here. We need to reset our timer to 0F. Okay, and let's save the script and let's preview this. Okay, let's see. Okay, and Geronimo. Okay, 2 seconds, and the responding is correct, and then 2 seconds. Yes, okay, we just take care of that issue. um but for the next issue, we can see that when our player gets killed, our health bar is still empty. So let's go to our player health script. Oops. Player health, and we need to make a getter for our, let me see, for our health slider. Let me see, where is our, here we have our health slider. We need to make the getter for our health sliders. So I'm going to make it right here. I'm going to say okay, public slider, health slider. Okay, and then okay, this is going to be our get return our health slider. Okay, and let's save. Now we need to call this health slider, his getter, into our level manager, and we need to make a new variable. It's going to be a public player health, and this is gonna be our player slider, and we need to initialize our variable in player slider is equals player dot get component, and it's going to be our player health. Okay, all right. Right, let me see, player slider. Okay, let's save the code, and let's go to our respawn player, and we need to say player health dot health slider dot value is going to be equal to our player health dot current health. Okay, and let's save the script, and now let's see how it's working. Oh, what's happening here? Okay, once again I make a little mistake. Help. All right. Yes. Let's save the script. We have another issue. Let's see our player. I have this problem. All right. Let's save it. Okay. Yes. Now let's see if our issue is fixed. And okay, 2 seconds. Yes, okay. We have here our health bar filled again. Okay, now let's see what other issue we have. Okay, when our player dies, his movement, right here, his character movement is still active. Let's see once again. Okay. Okay, so we can move. Yes, so we need to disable his character movement when he gets killed. So we need to go to our player health again, and let's go to our function player kill. Okay, here we have this, and let's say here character movement dot enable is equals to false. Okay, let's save the code and let's preview once again our game. So when our player gets killed, he won't be able to move. Okay, yes, but when he is responding, we have this issue that he keeps running and his character movement is still inactive or disabled. So we need to go to fix this issue. We need to go to our level manager, and we need to make the new variable, say private character movement. It's going to be our character movement, and let's initialize this variable here as character movement is equals to our player dot get component our character movement. Okay, and then we need to go to our function respawn player here, and here we need to say okay, character movement dot enable is equals to true. Okay, let's save and let's check our game. Okay, so let's go and okay, so okay, character movement, and here we have right now once again our character movement enabled. Okay, so we're gonna have another issue that we need to fix, but this other issue we're gonna work with that in the next video. So I see you in the next lesson.